guys, what's up? I'm Phaye and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I really appreciate you. So for today's video, we're going to do this makeup look. It's a very simple cut crease with neutral colors and some glitter on the eyelids. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And before we go, don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notifications, and like this video, comment, share my video. Yeah, with all that said, let's just jump right in. I'm going to start with eyes. The first step will be to brush your eyebrows and just to set them in place. Then you're going to take your eyebrow pencil. I'm using the Davis one in number 3. Once your eyebrows are filled in, next you're going to go in with concealer to just clean up the eyebrow and make it look more neat. So I'm going in with my concealer. The concealer I'm using is Maybelline Fit-Me, this one. Don't know if it's going to focus, but this one is the one I'm using. It's Maybelline Fit-Me in shade number 40. For the top part of my brows, I like to go in with my foundation because it's going to make it a lot easier to blend in when I'm like putting foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the Maybelline Fit-Me in the shade number 335. So just put a little bit at the back of my hand. Yeah. Now my eyebrows are done, so I'm going to go in and prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. So if you don't have a beauty blender, you could also go in with your finger and just blend it in. Yeah, so I'm going to use the Cara Beauty palette. I think I'm going to go for a neutral look. Maybe do some glitter. Let's just see. Let's see where we go with this. So I'm just going to start with a crease color and just put it over my crease. So I'm going to do just one eye and show you exactly what I'm doing. Then this other eye I'm going to do it off camera. So the next brown I'm going to go in is this brown. Okay, did I show you? The first brown was this one that I put all over my crease. Sorry, the first brown was this one that I put all over my crease. Then I'm going in with this other one next, and I'm going to put it at the outer part of my eyes and just blend that in. By the way, follow me on Instagram and all my socials. They're at Phaye Mailu. So yeah, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Yeah. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down below. I will reply to every comment, so comment down below. I'm going to go in with a stiffer brush. I'm using this one. It doesn't have a name really. I just bought it Oko the boys, and I'm going to go in with a darker brown. I'm going to go in with this one, this brown right here. So I went in and bought this concealer, the Elegant Pro Concealer, and I thought it was a white concealer. It looks white, right? Like anyone would think this is a white concealer. And then guess what? It's not actually white. It's sort of a highlight. Like it has shimmer inside and some glitter. And I thought it was going to be like a good eyeshadow primer for when I'm doing colors. I bought it and I didn't know it had shimmer inside. I feel like I was lied to and I was conned. But then it was no one's fault because I didn't know. Like the people who sold it to me, I guess they didn't know what I was going to use it for. But I also feel like you should have told me. But how would they know? How would they know what I was going to use it for? I feel frustrated because now I have it. I don't know how to use it. It's just so annoying. I'm going to try and use it today as highlight. If it turns out badly, I am going to cry. Okay, I'm not going to literally cry, but I'm going to be so annoyed because I have things I need to get done with this makeup look. Yes, I think I like that. Let me put a little bit of black and stop there. I'm going to go in with this glitter. Is it this one? Yeah. I'm going to go in with this brown. So after that, I think I'm going to go in to the brown, this brown here. I have never layered shimmers with mattes, but I hope this works. I think this eye is done. I'm going to go in and put eyeliner, and then I'm going to come and show you how it looks before I go in and do my other eye off camera. Yeah, as you can see, I've put on eyeliner. So let me go and do this other eye off camera, and then I'll come back and we'll continue the tutorial. Yeah, I think my eyes are done. So I'm going to go and do my face. I've already primed my face. So I'm going to go in with... Actually, I'm trying to go in with contouring first, then foundation. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not so good at it, so I'm just going to speed this part up. just in the places where you usually highlight, which is the underneath the eye, then on your forehead, and then on the bridge of the nose. After that, I go in with blush. I think if you've watched my the previous video, now you know. So I'm doing blush really quickly. So now let me set my whole face. I'm starting with underneath my eye. Let me do my lips and put on lashes off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. This is the finished look. I think my makeup turned out really nicely. I really don't know what to do with my hair, but I think this looks cute. Yes, I love it. If you've watched till the end, thank you so much, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video and comment down below. Also follow me on all my social media. Instagram is at Phaye Mailu and TikTok is at Phaye Mailu. Thanks, till next time. Bye guys.